Hey garden friends, happy weekend. So I'm here with this cool planter. I'll give it a little twirl here. Isn't that nice? I really like it. I found it at the 99-cent store, though I did have to drill 2 holes at the bottom of it. But what a cool find, right? So it immediately inspired me. So I gathered up a few succulents for it, and I'll show them to you. I have 2 clusters of Senecio, Rowleyanus, string of pearls. Look at that. So beautiful. It's got a little tail right here. So that's nice. And I propagated these like almost a year ago. And I think that they are ready. They've graduated into a succulent arrangement. I've got here a Aeonium Blushing Beauty. And check the center out. It's so beautiful. How they start to turn that purple. Oh, they like actually start to blush. Oh, such a beautiful Aeonium. I love them. And this was a cutting that has been growing and growing for several months now. They get really wide, so you also have to, consider that when you're making succulent arrangements with Aeoniums. Got to give them enough space to grow. I've got Crassula Silver Dollar. Check it out. Such a strong plant. I mean, I've been using this one over and over again. And check out the detail on the leaves there. They're dotted. They've got the farina, that white coating on them. I just love Crassula plants. Just can't get over it. Okay. And I've got a Kalanchoe Chocolate Soldier. I love to use them. They're fuzzy, they add texture, and love to use them in the winter. Because, of their color, very wintry. Oh, I have 2 Graptoveria Moonglows. Check out the color on these. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I swear, my succulents look better in the winter in any season, I think. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, so I'll start off by filling this planter up with soil. And I'll leave some space there. And I'll go for my Crassula Silver Dollar, and I will want it to be all the way at the bottom here. Perfect. Kind of nestle it down there by pressing on it. There we go. And I'm going to get my container back with soil and fill up the rest. All right. Going to press that Crassula towards the back there so I can have enough space for the rest of the plants here, especially that Aeonium. And that's where I'll go for. I'll go for that next, right? Just maybe right here towards the back. And let's see. Let me grab my brush here. Brush it a little. It's a little dirty. There's been a lot of pollen in the air, and it's been falling on my succulents, and they actually look really cool. But I did dust it off here on that Aeonium. I think I'll push it more towards the front here. See what I mean? They're so big. And this one's like a pup, So it's going to get way bigger and hopefully make more pups. Okay, perfect. And now for my string of pearls, I will add a cluster right here. And I'll kind of like get the roots together very gently. And kind of just tuck it in there. And you see all these roots here that this one has? I'm going to kind of just try to lay the stem right at the rim so the roots can touch the soil there and settle. I've got another root here that I probably want to tuck in as well. And I'm going to use my knitting needle and tuck that one in. I mean, I can always just pull it off, you know, but it won't hurt the succulent, it won't hurt the plant. Yeah, but I'd rather just tuck it in. All right, there we go. And that one I will pull off just like that. You see? Okay. And ooh, it doesn't look like I'll have much space left here. Oh, bummer. So I will, let's see, I should add the chocolate soldier somewhere, maybe in the back, and then the two Graptoverias right here. Maybe I can pull that off. Will that be too much? I really wanted to beef up the string of pearls here. I really wanted to add two, but it turned out to be too small. You know, it's a silver dollar. It's huge. And I kind of want to take this leaf. I want to kind of just pop it off. There we go. Popped it right off. Gave it a little twist. And now we can see the chocolate soldier. All right. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do. And now for, you know, I'll go for the bigger one towards the back maybe. Right there, just like that. And then the other one right in the front. Boom, just like that. And adjust my string of pearls right here. Perfect. That looks so pretty. Too bad I couldn't fit this one in. But I really like how that ended up kind of looking. And I'll maybe pull the little string of pearls out just so we can see them a little. Dust some of the soil off right here. And I will be adding some stones to this one, so let me grab those and I'll start in the back. And I see a hole there, so I'll tuck some in and I'll push them in with my needle. Oh, and I hurt my little silver dollar. I'm rushing it. I shouldn't be rushing it. I should be having fun, right? So yeah, let me just take my time here. Cool. There we go. And I'll just tuck some in, because there's not a lot of space there. There we go. Just grab the smaller ones here. It'll also keep the roots down. I'm really trying to get that that little stem out. Okay, but not too much. Not pulling it off here. It's okay. I'll go to the other side now. Let's see. Lift this Aeonium up and tuck some stones under it. There we go. Perfect. Oh, and I think I'm done with this one. So pretty. So I'm going to clean up over here. Ooh, it's getting windy. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. So I am taking advantage of my weekend. And I'll bring it up a little so you can see it better, but check that out. Graptoverias are nicely tucked in with that chocolate soldier right in the center. Hopefully these will trail nice and long, and this one won't grow too big. Oh, the silver dollar just adds that height that it needs. Oh, so pretty. Anyways, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until the next planting. Bye, garden friends.